For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Salman Khan was seen shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai and did some daredevil stunts. Yes, he was seen shooting with a pack of wolves, and everyone is just going fida on the boy's new stunt. Well, for starters, Salman has sent out a diktat that his Tiger Zinda Hai shoot should not be shared anywhere. In fact, fan clubs are also for this. So this time we will have a total surprise when Tiger Zinda Hai releases. The shoot is in Austria and Salman and Katrina are shooting in the icy locals. Tiger Zinda Hai is a spy thriller which is a sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, the Kabir Khan flick. Meanwhile, Salman has finished shooting for Tube Light, the upcoming Eid release. With an Eid and Christmas release, Sallu is rolling with work. Add to this the sequel to Dabangg 2 and then a movie with Remo. For now, let us know what you feel about Sallu with the pack of wolves.